Good morning, friends. How are you all? Start of the week, fresh day, and we are going to have some more information as far our professional course is concerned. And as you all know very well that marketing management got a special importance as far as MBA is concerned. So till now you came to know that the basic differences between marketing, market, and as well as marketing management. And very latestly in the last class you came to know that what are the philosophies of the marketing management. So what do you mean philosophy? Philosophy is nothing but idea. It's a director which shows the direction to the company, which is the path should take to enhance the sales and rise the what you call the profits. These two are actually the ultimate objective of understanding marketing management by any company. So what are the philosophies? Like production concept is there, product concept is there, selling concept is there, marketing concept is there, and finally the societal marketing concept is there. This is a very, very standard question. Define marketing management and explain various marketing management philosophies. Right. Now, after coming to know all these things, now today we go for altogether a very, very important topic, right? What is that? The marketing mix. Very often you will be listening, understand, how to improve the sales, or else how to rise the profits of a company. So when these two aspects should be attended very, very carefully, you need to sit together various departments. Most of the time, if the marketing manager is there, he will be giving the ideas regarding this marketing mix. Mix of 4 basic elements, mix of 4 basic products. So these are all other names for this marketing mix. Understand? When you blend in equal proportion according to the existing customer base, the to be targeted market, understand, you are going to reach the set goal, nothing but the profit making or else sales improvement. Okay. So what do you call this marketing mix? So what are the marketing mix elements or else the parts? So which are nothing but the product, price, place, promotion. Strictly speaking, these 4 elements are called as 4 P's. 4 P's. Understand? Actually, there were 10 P's given by Professor N.H. Bowden in the year 1950s. How many P's? 10 P's. But that one shortened and given importance for what you called the only required major contribution factors, which are nothing but 4 P's. This one given to us by McCarthy. These are management developers, understand, contributors. The first 10 P's provided to us, that idea, marketing mix idea, was given to us by Professor N.H. Bowden. Belongs to Harvard Business School, very famous school. Understand? You will be having one journal also, Harvard Business Review. If anyone publishes any article in the journal, will be assumed as it's a quality kind of publishing. So what even a publishing, what to do, what even a research, all these are all next level aspects to you all. After PG, if anybody interested, you can go for pursuing PhD also. So what is that person? Actually, this mix idea was given. His name is Professor N.H. Borden. But all those 10 P's shortened, selected effectively and clubbed into only 4 P's. So these 4 P's actually given to us by McCarthy. So what are those P's? First P is nothing but the product. The second P is called the price. The third P is called the place. And the fourth one is called the promotion. So remember that this order is very, very important. Product, price, place, promotion. When you are going to take, any kind of decisions about the sales of the products, understand? You need to mix up these 4, elements, basic things in an appropriate manners, finally, so that you can achieve your set target. You take any product, as you all know that the product base can be divided into 2 categories. One is called a physical product base, one more is called the service product base. Cars are there, cell phone is there, confectionery items are there. All these are all known as physical products. They actually follow a different mix of product, price, place, promotion strategies. Let us take service kinds of products are there, hospitals are there, entertainment industry is there, educational institutions are there. They all together will mix up all this product, price, place, promotion in a different manner, which finally should enhance their sales and as well as the profits. Explain the 4 P's of the marketing mix. A very, very important question. Okay. Then how do you define the marketing mix? The definition says that a marketing mix is the mixture of controllable marketing variables that the firm uses to pursue the sought level of sales in the target market. So here the word is pursuing, a very, very important. Now what this marketing mix 4 P's do's means, which persuade the final consumer or the customer in order to understand about your product or service. And you should attract towards your product or service, finally he is going to own that product. So before that, what are the things? The appropriate mix of this what you called product, price, place, promotion is very, very important. Okay. Now if you want to have more sweet in preparation of a coffee, you will add what you call high levels of sugar. More kind of taste is required. You are going to improve what you call increase one more ingredient like coffee powder or tea, chai ki patta, isn't it? So finally, what is there? That product is going to be attracted by that particular customer. Understand? Now we are going to discuss all these 4 P's one by one. A very, very important discussion today's. Now let us see. So these 4 P's are, beautifully adjusted in a what you call tree structure. All of you observe. So here, let us take the product. What is a product? The product is the ultimate form actually what you are going to give to the hands of the customer. Whether that is a treatment, that is the entertainment, or else a car, or else what you call a pen, whatever may be that. Finally, the customer is going to use that product, and through that you are going to have the opinion. So always remember that in the present context, the modern way of making marketing is, what do you think? The customer is the king. If customer satisfies, if the customer convinces, if the customer finally feels happy about your services or about the features of your product, whatever you are going to offer, there ends the matter. Automatically you are going to have the loyal customers for what to call years together. That relationship will develop. Okay. So what even a product? A product is nothing but the ultimate form, whether that is a service or set of actions or the physical product, whatever is going to give to the hands of the customer. So when you are releasing any product into the market, you have to maintain varieties of what you call the features. Then only what will be the customer is going to attract towards your product. Let us take four-wheelers itself. So generally, the person who regularly drives, they feel more comfortable to drive the modern day cars comparatively old generation cars. Why? Because as you all know very well that the present cars are not only manually operating machinery, they are fitted with high-end software kind of gadgets also. Generally for new drivers, parking a car is going to be a very, very difficult task. But in today's cars, if you observe, there will be monitor besides the steering, okay? Being in the driver's seat itself, what are the things, what are the blind spots you call them? Any object is there in the blind spot. The blind spot means what you cannot directly observe. You can be seen on the screen itself and you can park and you can move the vehicle without any hesitation. People are asking for that. Now let us take the recent roads and transportation safety organ of the government is concerned. Newly, initiated, made compulsory that for any four-wheeler, the front seats should have what to call that, the wanted kind of safety measures. If that measure is not there, they are going to fine. People are looking for that whether that facility is available or not. Besides that, as you know very well, today's newspapers, if you see, the all-time high, the petrol and diesel prices reached to all-time high. Then what is the next alternative? The people are looking forward the alternative fuel for this what you call petrol diesel. I mean to say the cars which can be operated by using the batteries or any other what you call alternative resources. What you call this? The product variety. You have to maintain the product variety. Very often you need to change the features of your product. Again, if you take the four-wheeler or two-wheelers, at the start of every year, I mean to say in the month of January, most of the people are going to purchase the four-wheeler or two-wheeler automobiles because they change the model. At least one or two features they are going to add, which are going to improve the quality of the product. And you take the design. And you will be observing why these Activa scooterettes are considered compared to any other scooterette on Indian roads. You will be finding plying of these Activa scooters because this one advertised like this one as a family two-wheeler. Right from grandfather to a teenage boy or a teenage girl also can drive this one. Easy to drive. And also more space to store. So many, I mean to say extra comforts every year they are going to change. 4G, 5G, 6G, isn't it? What do you mean G here? Generation. Features. And also brand name, Honda. Who don't know about Honda? Is it? It's a very established brand name. Most of the times for 30 to 40% we pay only for that brand name. Apple phone means brand name, that's it. If other phones are also available in the market with the same kind of features, we may not be willing. We feel pride, prestige to have that Apple symbol, half-cut Apple on our cell phones. Logo. Is it? So like that here, when you are releasing the product, you have to follow these things, in a very, very careful manner. The size, this is also very, very important. City driving conditions, if you think, as you know very well, traffic has been increasing. So because of that, more people are purchasing the four-wheelers, two-wheelers. One more impact is this COVID-19. Everybody wants to have their personal transportation facility. So what they do? They go for purchasing that kind of four-wheelers which is smaller in size, so that changing the directions are going to be very easy. Understand? Big cars are there. Big vehicles are there, very difficult. Size matters a lot, understand? So these are some of the things we have to be careful while understanding the product. Okay? And after sales services, let us take what you called electronic items itself. Samsung. I give first preference for Samsung items, because I am personally using that. I faced a few problems, but within no time, troubleshooted my electronic gadgets. Throughout the city, you find exclusive company service stations for all your Samsung products. Besides that, the warranties, and as well as if at all any problem is there, exchange policies, return policies, all these matters under what you called the product. First P of the marketing mix. Understand? The next one is the very, very important factor, what you call that, the price. What do you mean price? The price is nothing but the value what you are going to have in terms of money from the customers. What do you mean price? Price is nothing but the value for your service or the product what you are going to collect from your customer. If you maintain too much price also, you cannot have the what you called sales improvement. You may be attracting elite group. If you want to reach masses, if you want to increase what you call more sales, what is required? You should have amicable price to that particular category of the customers. That's why there are so many strategies are there as far as price fixing is concerned. Meticulous research will take place while before fixing the price. So the price whatever fix, that price should give profit also. Only sales improvement means that doesn't run your business. Understand? Both the parties should benefit, manufacturer and as well as the consumer or else the customer. So based upon that, there are so many price strategies are there, like geographical price strategy, scheme price strategy, uniform price strategy, per capita price strategy, competitive price strategy. So these are the few of the techniques or the tools which allows the manufacturer to fix the price. As per my information, okay, whatever that Thumbs Up, Coca-Cola, as it, these beverages are there, actual production cost would be some 1 rupee 50 paise to 2 rupees, that's it. But by the time when it reaches to our hands, we are paying how much? 15 rupees, 20 rupees, like that. Why this huge price change, price difference? Because they need to consider so many intricate charges also. Otherwise, what happens? The manufacturer is going to bear that entire brunt. Understand? That's why the price is going to be a very, very important factor as far as the life of the business is concerned. Okay? The next one is the place. The place means how actually the customers are going to receive our products or services. you should fix up that channel. Understand? Like transportation channel or as a distribution channels. Okay? So that the customers who desire to purchase your product should not face any kind of problem. If you are making long wait the customers, 3 weeks, 2 weeks, like that, there may be a chance that customers may skip your product. They will start looking forward alternative products. You lose that customer. Hence, you have to think of where our customers can have the product without any problem. Generally, the easiest way how actually you can make reach to the products and the produced products are nothing but the wholesalers and as well as the retailers. Okay. So under place what you are discussing, like channels will be there, coverage will be there, assortments would be there, locations, exclusive service stations would be there. You take petrol vendors, is it oil companies? They are going to have their own retail stores. Bharat Petroleum, is it? Indian Oil, all these are all having their exclusive outlets to sell the product. Place, right? So like that here, the place is going to play a vital role as far as reaching to your goals. The next one is called the very, very important one, promotion. So your promotion is nothing but which is the activity which actually makes to understand, to aware about your product, which is waiting to give service to them. Okay? There are so many, techniques are there to make reach to information to the customers. Like advertising is there, personal selling is there, public relations are there, publicity is there, like social media, print media. Sometimes few companies are there, they go for direct selling also. What is that? Best example, Eureka Forbes. You will be finding that water filters or else vacuum cleaners, Eureka Forbes. So like that here, these 4 P's are very, very important as far as to reach the set targets by which department? The marketing department. Understand? What are those? Product, price, place and as well as the promotion. But usually, previously 10 P's used to be there, but that one cut down to 4 P's only. Okay? So what are the features of these 4 P's or else a marketing mix? So according to them, what is that? The customer is the focus point. Whatever product, whatever strategy you follow, wherever the place you are choosing to reach the customer to identify a product, all these things should be focused on the customer. Understand? Then only what will be there, these 4 P's are going to yield the expected results. These 4 P's or marketing mix is useful to achieve the market targets. You will be observing Amazon online market. Tomorrow is going to be the 26th Republic Day, 26th of January. What is that? Republic Day. So already, since beginning of this week itself already started marketing this opportunity. They started what? Advertising. So we are giving extra benefit on SBI card, 10%. And few products are giving huge discounts. Promotional activities. So finally, what is their target is going to be to reach their sales. Remember that this marketing mix is a flexible and dynamic. So these 4 P's, product, price, place, promotion, these mixture have to change based upon the situation. Otherwise, what happens? Forever a fixed kind of mix if you follow, it cannot reach to your target. It cannot make you to reach to your target. So that's why, what is that future? It's always flexible and dynamic. This price, place, promotion and product are interrelated and as well as interdependent. So variables are interrelated. What is a variable? Variables means which always changes. And the final feature, what is that? Marketing manager acts as a mixture of ingredients. So what do you call this? Features of the marketing mix. Explain about marketing mix or else the 4 P's of the marketing. You have to put all the discussion whatever you had till now. Okay. Just now I told you that earlier there were 10 P's, but again that one clubbed into 4 P's. But that one before what you call this service sector had improved. But whenever service sector started improving, for these 4 P's again 3 P's is also involved. So what are those extra 3 P's? Nothing but the 5th one is called the people, the 6th one is called the process, and the final one is called the physical evidence. So overall how many P's are there? 7 P's are there. Look at the title, how I wrote there. So you have to write in the paper like that only. 7, capital P, apostrophe S, 7 P's. So product, price, place, promotion we discussed. So when you are taking in charge of the selling of the service product, like a person, clubs with what you call few more persons. Let us suppose that these are all doctors. They will start a hospital business. Understand? So, which is nothing but comes under a service sector. So, besides this above 1, 2, 3, 4 variables, they need to consider 5th, 6th, 7th variables also into consideration, like people, process and physical evidence. So your people is nothing but the patients. Now, let us suppose that these 4 doctors are actually give the service for general problems. Do you know? A surgeon and as well as a physician, there is a lot more difference. As far my knowledge goes, a physician only gives medication. A surgeon is capable of doing surgery. So as you all know that people are suffering with so many problems which are of what you call requires mere medication, and as well as few complications will be there which require surgery also. So based upon the people, I mean to say the patients, they need to target what you call those kinds of areas also. What type of people are going to visit? What are the services they require? As you all know that if you go to multiplexes and as well as the ordinary theatre, you will be finding lot more difference. Same ticket, if you go to ordinary theatres, you would be getting just for 100 rupees. But if you go to multiplexes, they charge 150 rupees, 200 rupees like that. Why? Because the kind of service they are providing, that ambience, that cleanliness, the other extra facilities, altogether, that feel. So what you call that? People focus. The next one is the process. How they are going to provide that process? Nothing but here, the technology is very, very important in nowadays. If you get repair with a mere hands from a mechanic, there will be a difference. But if you get troubleshoot your vehicle in a what you call specialized, workshop which is equipped with advanced tools, the service is going to be different. More satisfaction would be there. What do you call that? The process. And the final one is the physical evidence. How you are going to provide the service. So these all are going to be considered as the 7 P's. What is the main reason to involve this 5th, 6th, 7th? Because in service industries, in the service products, besides that above 1, 2, 3, 4 P's, these 3 P's are also going to occupy prominent position. Now all of you look at here. So this one, people. So targeting the customers, might be employees would be there, the management, their culture, customer services, all falls under what you call the people. And the process, nothing but especially relevant to the service industries. How are the services going to consume? And where you are going to give that product, physical environment. So interface, comfort, facilities, extra, advantages, all this comes under what you call physical environment. So to these 4 aboves, so 3 more have been added. Now it has become what? 7 P's. Okay. So till now what we discussed? We discussed the importance of 4 P's and as well as the 7 P's. What is the main reason between extension of 4 P's into a 7 P's? And who are the persons? Give an idea for this, like N.H. Bowden and as well as the McCarthy. Okay. And tomorrow we go for understanding about marketing program, or else what is the one more name? Marketing plan. I am signing off. Thank you so much. Have a great day.